Give a little update here. We finally got our part. This is heater channel for a VW. I got it kind of strapped in here, trying to fit it. This right now I'm just trying to fit it all, and it's coming along pretty good. Here I will remove it so that you can see what it looks like when it's not in there. See how much we had to clean up. We still got a lot of work to do. Still have lots and lots of work to do. Got this out of here. Wow. I guess she doesn't want to come back out. There's nothing holding it, right? Ah, shoot. That was just a test fit. As you can see, we have to do some metal reconstruction. This isn't too bad through here, but this was supposed to come down. It comes down around and it has to get welded back up. And then we got to do some welding in here. This here strip's got to come back up here and get welded back in. But I thought I'd show you the inside here. Still got to prep all the metal, and then get everything back in. Just a little update. But we did get our heater channel. That's what these Volkswagens mount to the rest of the chassis with. There's just a line of bolts that you put in. You put those bolts in and she bolts it back to the chassis. That's why Volkswagens were so fun back in the day, because people could take the bodies off and put dune buggy bodies on them and sand rails or whatever else they wanted to do to them. All right.